welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just outside of Flin Flon. That's where I usually hang out, right? And I'm on what's it's an old section of the highway. Sometimes they get used for a bypass when they're doing work on the highway, but yeah, I'm not even sure how long ago, but yeah, this used to be an old section of the highway. So I'm just out here today. We're gonna do a Vanlife shower. I went on Amazon and I bought myself a shower tent, and I have a little USB pump charger, and as you saw, I bought a stock pot to heat up the water in. I'm just gonna heat it up on my stove, and yeah, just grab some lake water. Oh, and most importantly too, as well, as I've got biodegradable soap. I'm not really interested in messing up the environment or anything like that. So we're gonna give this a try, see how it works out. It's fall time, beginning of October. It's a little cooler, but I think if the water's warm, this is gonna be interesting. I think it's gonna work out good. But I am just trying to find a level spot here to park. And then we're going to heat up some water and take a shower. So, like I said, I'm just going to use the propane stove here. Put that on high. I'm just going to let that heat up the water until it's shower temperature. Like I said, I went on Amazon. Yeah, this was around $80. You just USB charge, little pump. Suction cup it to the bottom of the stock pot, and then supposedly this shower head, I should be able to just turn it off and on and shower with minimal water usage. That's the plan anyway. And then yeah, I also went and got shower tent. I'll have to link everything in the description, I guess, as to what I got off Amazon. I forget what this was. This is a taller one, because obviously I'm a tall guy, so I got one that's taller than I am, so it was a little bit more expensive, but I think you can get them for like 50-70 bucks, something like that on Amazon. There's all Canadian prices, right? We're all in Canada. Well, I am anyway. So yeah, let's go set this up and wait for this water to warm up. See here, found some cement blocks, a broken up cinder block, I think it's called, and I just put it on the corners. It's picking up here. Well, supposedly that's going to hold it. So the shower's water anyway is warming up. Let's just take a look inside here. So that's what we end up with. I already hung my towel up. There's a thing there. I think I'm gonna have to find another cinder block. Let's close the door here, but that's not too bad. Your feet won't get dirty. I'll have to let that dry out afterwards. I think oh yeah, right there. You can see little Velcros if you want to Velcro up your shower nozzle and just have it run like a shower at home. Oh yeah, and there's little hooks there. That must be for where that mesh bag hooks up. I don't know. Pretty interesting. Yeah. Good enough I can stand up in it. Shower at the side of an old road. Well, that feels pretty good. Pretty good. That only took about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes maybe, not even. So we got the water. The pump just suction that down. Turn it on. And there we go. You can hear it pumping. Tells you the water is 20, 22, 23. Go. That's how that's going to work. All right. Since it's windy out and I'm not really on the side of a road, I did put on my swim trunks. You know, just in case the tent gets blown over and somebody's out here walking their dog or something. But yeah, so I'm just gonna give this a go. Obviously, I'm not gonna film it. You guys don't need to see my, well, let's just call it an extreme dad bod. All right, I'm gonna do this and then I'll let you guys know how it turns out.
A few moments later.
Well, you know, I'm pretty impressed. Actually, that's pretty good for, you know, maybe $200, $250 investment. I know you can definitely get those propane powered ones that are on demand water. A little more, $700, $800. Those look pretty cool too, but for a budget, this is pretty good because really I'm only going to use it a couple times during the summer. It's not really going to be a winter thing, but yeah, no, I'm pretty impressed. Didn't even use that much water. Just in case you're wondering, we started off, water was about here, down there, maybe, I don't know, 10 liters. Just kind of guessing. I think this is 21 liter pot. So yeah, 10 liters would be not too bad. Not too bad at all. So yeah, like I say, I'm pretty impressed with that whole experience, you know? Cheap budget shower, side of the road. Can't go wrong with that, I guess. Obviously, not something I'm going to be using in winter. And that's the whole reason I don't have a shower in the van itself, is because of moisture. I keep my water use to a minimum. Northern Saskatchewan, northern Manitoba here, we get, I'm plowing right through 40 below, so humidity is an issue that I monitor closely. So at least in the summer, when showers aren't accessible, out camping, boondocking, whatever, I can, yeah, get clean, get fresh. Better than wipes, you know. Any of you van lifers or guys camping probably know, you know, the wipes will get you by, but they still don't beat a shower, not even a little bit. So I'm gonna get out of these wet trunks, get some clean clothes on, and well, I guess I'm gonna have to wait for the tent to dry now. So I guess I'm gonna put on a movie. Been kind of watching the Avengers lately, so Age of Ultron. That'll be the afternoon. Maybe a quick little update on the property out there. Looks like they've got it pretty much level now. I'm going to talk to them, see if there's any more they have to do. My trailer's sitting out there right now. I was in the at the Ford dealership getting an oil change. So yeah, hopefully, I know RV, the laws in Denair, I think there's something like you're allowed to stay 2 weeks in an RV before you have to move it. Of course, you're not allowed to, you know, all your sewer and everything has to be self-contained, which I am. And I'm only here, you know, what, 5 days at a time. And hopefully this winter, my plan is to work a lot of overtime. We got lots going on next year, garage build, house build, special little idea that I was talking to somebody about today. That might take a year to come into effect, but yeah, I'm pretty excited about that one. But we're gonna keep that a secret for right now. So, you know, that's my plan for the winter. Work a lot of overtime. I won't be around too much anywhere. I'm not sure what the Vanlife videos are gonna look like. Maybe I'll focus more on my music, which is something I've been wanting to do in the video. I haven't really brought that to the channel, so maybe I'll get that going. But anyways, guys, until next time, stay safe, stay safe, have fun, and thanks for checking it out. My little Vanlife roadside shower setup. I don't know. I gotta figure out a title. Anyways, guys, catch you next time.